Today we are going to learn about a balanced ecosystem. An ecosystem is balanced when an organism interdependent with one another. The organisms also interdependent on non-living components. What are non-living components?
They are water, light, air, and soil.
An ecosystem is said to be balanced if the living organisms and non-living components in the environment are in a state of harmony without any external interference. Living things must adapt to the environment to survive, reproduce, and make sure their species don't get extinct. That is all about a balanced ecosystem and importance of adaptation of living thing to the environments. Interdependence and interaction among organisms, and between organisms and the environment. Before that, let us understand a few of the important terms. Now we are going to learn about biological control. What is biological control? A method that uses organisms that are natural predators, parasites, or pathogens to reduce the number of pests in an area. Examples of biological control. Owls are kept in palm oil plantations to control the population of rats. The ladybird beetle eats aphids, a crop pests. Is more environmentally friendly because it doesn't use pesticides or chemicals. This method is cheaper and doesn't affect humans' health. It takes a long time before any effect is seen. The balance of the ecosystem might be disrupted because a new species is introduced. So now we are going to learn about the factors that influence population size in an ecosystem. The factors that influence population size are disease, presence of predators, sources of food, and also change of weather. The first factors is disease. The population of animals and plants will decrease when a disease strikes. Second is the presence of predators. The population size of a living organism is influenced by the population size of its predators. The third one is sources of food. If a food source decrease, animals can be threatened by extinction. And the last factors is change of weather. The droughts cause soil to become dry and infertile, and also increase the risk of forest fires. What is prey-predator? Predation is a relationship between the predator and the prey species. The predator survives by killing and eating prey. Predators are always in a higher trophic level than their prey. Example: a cat and a mouse. The relationship between a cat and a mouse is the most common example of a predator-prey relationship. What is competition? Competition is an interaction between organisms or species in which both the organisms or species are harmed. Limited supply of at least one resource, such as food, water, and territory, used by both can be a factor. There are two main classes of competition. Interspecific competition happens between members of the same species. Interspecific competition happens between members of different species.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.